So next, step number 3. So after we get the initial HC, so step number 3, so compute for the initial, considering the initial HC, and then get the D provided. Okay, so checking na to no, kung okay yung assumption natin kanina. So HC is equal to 650 millimeters. Then our QE here, okay, Q allowable minus gamma C, HC, may HC na tayo, then gamma S, HS minus QS. So Q allowable is 310, then minus 23.5 for our gamma C, or specific gravity of concrete, then multiply by 0.65. Ito yung HC natin. And then minus our gamma S is 15.6 multiplied by 1.5, the depth of embedment, then minus 0.65, then 0 to. Okay, so QE is equal to 281.465 kilopascal. Okay, so next, area footing. Okay, so area footing is equal to P over Q E. So unfactored load 2,320 divided by 281.4651. So equals 8.243 square meter. Okay, so therefore our B, square root of AF, is equal to B is equal to 2.871 meters, or equivalent to 2.9 meters. Okay, so yeah, so QU is PU over Q AF. So PU again is 3232, and then 2.9 squared. Okay, so same lang, no? Kung mapapansin nyo yung value nung ating QU here is same with our computation kanina. Okay, so yung D provided natin dito. Okay, so yung D provided natin is HC minus 75 minus DB over 2. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, DB over 2 na to. So kanina 1.5 dB, di ba? So kapag D yung kinukuha mo, doon ka sa may ang mindset mo dito is yung DNHC kailangan dapat mas mataas. Okay, so dito kinonsider natin yung D natin is at the bottom of our, or centroid of the bottom bar of our footing. Yan, dito yung D natin. Okay, so parang dun sa kabilang side siya. Okay, so yun. Para yung D natin dito, mas malaki. So pag kumuha tayo ng HC, yun, mas malaki. Yun nga, same din, malaki din yung HC mo. Okay, so ganun siya. Okay, so for our D, 650, HC is 650 minus 75 minus 25 over 2. Okay, so 562.2 millimeters. So check natin, no? Check natin if our D provided is at least, no? At least less than or equal to D required. So yung D required natin, manggagaling yan dun sa most critical, considering yung ating failure dun sa two-way shear. So, two-way shear. Yung sa equation A na nag-govern yung ating D. Okay? So, ibabalik ko dito. Kopyahin ko. So, ito. Ayan. So, actually, same lang yung computation. Okay? So, yan. Pinakita ko lang. Copy. And then, paste. Yan lang din. Okay? Okay? So, this one, itong D na to, ito yung D required. Okay? Required na yan. Okay? So, ito yung D required. Okay? So, as you can see, yung pinabide natin na D is greater than, so, D provided is greater than D required. So, safe tayo dito. So, yung assumption natin kanina, okay yun. Okay? So, therefore, okay yung ating D provided. So, thus, or therefore, our dimension for our footing is, so use 2.9 meters by 2.9 meters by 0.65. Yan. Yung H natin dito is 0.65 meters square footing. Okay. So, yan. Okay, so step number 4. So, step number 4, compute for MU, ultimate moment, and also yung area still. So, this one, so let's say this one is the footing. So, again, the critical, the path of, consider the intensity below for moment is this one. So at the face of the column, so this one is 2.9. So to get the this area, yan, okay, so kukunin lang natin yung moment dyan. So this one is 1.2 meters. So 2.9 divided by 2. Okay. 2.9 minus 0.5 divided by 2. So kaya nakuha yung 1.2. So this one also is B. So ganito yung itsura nito. Okay. Na kino-consider nating area. Okay, so yan. So this intensity here below, itong mga to. So yung area na to. So yan. So okay. So our MU here, MU is equal to QU multiplied by 1.2. Then area is 2.9 multiplied by 1.2. Okay. 1.2, 2.9, okay, area. And then the moment arm, half of 1.2. Okay. So, dito sa gitna. Okay. So, MU is equal to 384.304, 1.2, then 2.9, and then 1.2 over 2. So MU 2.427. This is in kilonewton meter. Okay? So yung step natin on how to get AS. So check muna natin if it is the section is in tension control or transition. So check if the section is tension control or transition. So phi m and t. So for our from our formula, phi MMT is equal to 459 over 1600 beta 1 FC prime B D squared. Then 1 minus 3 over 16 beta 1. Okay. So it is equal to 459 over 1600 and then 0.85 for our beta 1, 27.5 for our FC prime, and then B is 2,900 or 2.9 meters. D is 562.2 5 squared, and then 1 minus 3 over 16 multiplied by 0.85 again. So our phi MNT is equal to 5172.371 kilonewton meter. So this is greater than mu. So therefore this is under tension control. So our phi here is equal to 0.9. Okay, and then solve for Rn. So next step, solve for Rn. So under tension control, ito yung computation natin. Mu is equal to phi Rn BD squared. And then our Mu, nasolve na natin yan kanina. So our Mu is equal to, okay, yeah, Mu is 802.427. Copy. So times 10 raised to 6 equals 0.9. Then Rn is the unknown. Okay, gagamitin natin yan to get the rho. Then 29 for our B. And then D is 562.5 squared. So our Rn is equal to 0.972. Then solve for rho. So rho is equal to 0.85. Okay, so this equation is from RC. Beams, no? So beam design. So 1 minus square root of 1 minus 2Rn divided by 0.85 FC prime. So equals 0.85. 27.5 divided by 275. 1 minus square root of 1 minus 2Rn 0.85 FC prime. Okay, so our rho is 0.00361. Okay, then rho mean is equal to 1.4 over Fy. Compare it to our rho. So this one is 1.4 over 275. So this one is equivalent to 0.00509. So check. So use rho mean. Okay, so use rho is equal to 0.00509. Okay. So our AS is rho BD. So rho is 0.00504, and then our B is 2,900, then our D is 562.5. Our AS is in millimeter squared. So this is equal to 8,303.063. Then step number 5. So solve for number of bars. So number of bars, so we need to use 25 mm diameter. So N is equal to AS over AB. So AS is 8303.603 divided by pi over 4 and 25 squared. So 16.915. So let's say 17 pieces. Then check for the maximum spacing. So as per section 407.7.2.3, so S provided, okay, is equal to 2,900, our B, minus both sides of CC, minus 1 diameter bar, and then N minus 1, so 17 minus 1. So this is the S provided, 170.313 millimeters. And then check for the maximum spacing, so dalawa yun. So X max natin is 3H for main bar, and then 450. So our H is 650. So 3 multiplied by 650, tsaka 450. So governing is 450. Okay. So yun yung mas maliit. So compare it to this one. So okay tayo. Okay. So therefore, use 17 pieces, 25 mm main bar. Okay, so main bars spaced uniformly on center, so both direction or in each direction. Okay, so step number 6. So for checking of development length, LD. Okay, so from NSCP section 425.4.2.3. okay, for deform bar or wires. So LD shall calculated by this equation. So LD is equal to 1 over 1.1 Fy divided by lambda square root of Fc prime psi T, and then psi E psi S over CB plus KTR divided by dB. Okay, and then multiply by dB. Okay, so this one is the yung psi gen are the modification factor. So for our KTR, so normal weight concrete 0, and then CB is the lesser between this two equations. So A is 75 plus dB over 2. Okay, and then B is 1/2 170 1/2 of our S provided, or 170. Okay, so 75 plus our dB here is the size of main bar, so 25 yan. Ito naman yung S provided natin, which is 170.313 kanina. Okay, so the governing CB is 85.157 millimeter. Okay, so govern. And then CB, kunin na natin tong term na to, yung value ng term na yan. So CB plus KTR over dB is 85.157 plus 0 over 25. Okay, it is equal to 3.406. So but we need to check if the this term is less than 2.5. Kapag greater than 2.5 siya, so hanggang maximum value lang niya is 2.5. So it is greater 2.5, then use 2.5. Okay, for that term, for this term. Okay, so modification factor. So share ko na lang yung screenshots of our table 425.4.2.4. Okay, so you will see there that our modification factor psi t is 1.0 for other condition. Ayan yung other condition natin. Then modification factor for epoxy is 1.0, let's say uncoated na rin. And then yung sa size naman is 1.0 again. So 40 size naman is 25 mm bar. Okay, so 1.0 din yan. But we need to check, may note tayo dun sa table 425.4.2.4 na yung psi t natin and then psi s must be, or psi e must be less than or equal 1.7. So okay naman, no? Pag multiply mo yan, less than 1.7 yan, or 1 yung value natin. So let's go, no? So LD is equal to 1.1 or 1 over 1.1. Then Fy is 275 divided by 1.0 our alpha, our lambda, then square root of 27.5. Then next is 1.0 lang yung nasa taas na yan. Then 2.5 naman yung nasa baba. And then multiply by dB, 25. So our LD or development length required is 476.731 millimeters. So let's check, no, yung provide natin kung okay na yung LD and hindi na kailangan magkaroon ng hooks. Okay, so this one is 0.5. So this one is the let's say this one is our main bar. Okay, so the distance of the L provided is this one. Yan, dito. So yung L provided natin dyan, kapag kinompute mo based on our figure, so L D provided is equal to 29 yung base yung width natin, yung B. 29 minus 500 or yung yun, kukunin muna natin yung value nito. So this one is B minus A again over 2. Yan, 29 minus 500 divided by 2. Okay, and then minus natin to, okay, yung clear cover na 75 mm. Okay, so minus 75 millimeters. Okay, so it's equal to 1,125 millimeters. So ito yung area LD provided natin. Ito lang yung kailangan, no? So sapat na, okay, yung LD provided. So therefore again, no need to provide hooks at the end of the bar. Okay, so yan yung ating conclusion. Okay na tayo sa LD, so let's go to LDC na. So step number 7. So check development length. So LDC naman. Okay, so using 25 mm diameter bar, column bar. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung kino-consider naman natin. So let's say ito siya, tapos yan, and then yan, top bar natin for our footing. Then this one, itong LD natin dito. Yan. Kasi natin itong bar na to, yung LD nitong bar na to, or length of development ng bar na yan. So the distance of considering that bar, itong LD, yung LD provided natin, ito siya. Yan, ito. Nasa ibaba. Okay. So nasa ibaba nung bar na yan. Ito yung LD. LD provided. Sorry, LDC. Let's say LDC. So LD of column. Yan. Length of development of bar of the column. So using 25 mm column bar, nakalagay dun sa given natin. So from NSCP, from NSCP 2015 section 425.4.9. Yan. So yung LDC daw natin must be greater of, okay, so dalawa yung ating formula, 0.24 Fy psi r, and then divided by lambda square root of Fc prime. Yan yung isa, and then yung pangalawa, tatlo pala, no, yung kino-compare natin, 0.043 Fy psi r TB, and then 200 millimeters. Okay, so 0.24 275 psi r is 1.0. So check natin yan sa table. Then 1.0 square root of 27.5. Then 0.043 Fy is 275 again. Then 1.0, then dB is 25. Sorry, may dB din pala to. Okay. So multiply by 25 lahat yan. Then next is 200, no? 200. So, check natin. Sino yung pinakamalaki dito sa tatlo? Okay. So, this one is 314.643 millimeters. Ito naman is 295.625 millimeters. This one is 200, no? So, mas malaki to. Okay, so ito yung governing LDC natin. So, length of development of bar of the column. Okay? So, yung LDC provided natin, ito yung required. So, LDC provided natin. So, compute lang natin yan. No? So, this one is HC. So, HC minus, okay, itong CC natin dito, which is 75. Okay, 75 minus yung bar na to, tsaka yung laki ng bar na yan. Okay, yung diameter of bar ng bottom, tsaka yung bar nung sa taas. So, dalawang 25 lang. Okay, so yung H natin is 650 minus 75 minus 50. So, it is equal to 525 millimeters. Okay? So, again, no, kinompare natin yung LDC provided tsaka LDC required. So, mas malaking LDC na pinrovide natin. So, therefore, thickness of the footing is adequate. Yan. Okay. So, next step. So, step number 8 na tayo. So, step 8. So, check if the dowel bars are required naman, yung mga dowel bars natin. So, checked. So, bearing naman to. Bearing check. Bearing load checking. Bars are required. Okay, so yung BU natin or ultimate bearing stress is equal to PU din. PU din. So, 3232 kilonewton. Okay, so ganito yung itsura niya. Yan, example yan. And then, top view muna. Side view. Yan. Okay. So, this one, let's say this one is 0.5 meter. And then, the stress or the distribution of load, okay, so sabi sa code, mapoproject yan ng, okay, 2:1, okay, 2 horizontal, 1 vertical. Okay, 2:1, 1 vertical slope. Okay, so kung 0.5 yan, okay, so kung 0.5 yan, so sa top view ganito yung itsura niya. Okay, so yan, 45 degree, 45 degree, yan, 45 degree, and 45 lahat yan. So, itong area na to will be the bearing, okay, area. Okay? So, yun, no? Our A1 is equal to size of the column. Course, no? 0.5 by 0.5. Okay, yung A2 naman, this one, itong hatch area na yellow, yan. Ito. Yan. So, yung hatch area natin, hanggang dito siya. So, yan. So, 2:1 yan. Kung 1.2 to, 1.2 meters. So, this one is 0.6. 0.6. Okay, so 0.6. Okay, so A2 natin is equal to Same lang din no, sa area of footing natin. It is the area of the lower base of the largest frustum of the pyramid, no? So ito yung B1 and then B2 na to. Okay, ito yung A1 and then A2. Yan. So B1 multiplied by B2 is equal to 2.9 multiplied by 2.9. Okay, so let's get the value of Bn. So based on table 422.8.3.2. Yan. So yung values ng Bn natin, first is A2 minus over A1 square root of A2 over A1, 0.85. Hanggang dito lang yung ating square root. FC prime, then multiply by A1. Yan yung una. So kung sino yung pinakamaliit na Bn, kasi capacity nga yan or nominal, so yun yung gagamitin natin. So B, yung pangalawa naman is 2.85 FC prime, and then A1. Yan. So square root of 2.9 times 2.9 divided by 0.25, 0.5, 85, 27.5, then 0.5, 0.5, then multiply by 1,000. Okay. Okay, so yan yung ating first Bn. Then 2 multiplied by 0.85, then 27.5, then A1 is 0.5 by 0.5. Then letter C, dalawa, ito lang dalawa. So check natin yung phi Bn and if greater than or equal siya sa Bu. So Bn natin dito, phi Bn natin or yung phi natin dito for bearing is 0.65. Okay? So yung A value or equation A value dito is equal to 33,893, and then yung isa naman 11,687. So ito yung mag-govern. Yan yung gagamitin nating Bn. Yan. So 0.65 multiplied by 11687, so equals okay 7,597. Okay, so let's check yung BU natin. BU is 3,232, so it is greater than, so 3232 kilo yun pa. Okay, so okay siya. Then let's say let's conclude that no need to provide dowel bars. Okay, meaning the transfer of load from the column, okay, to the footing is okay. But again, no, provide minimum reinforcement for connection between column and foundation. So meron tayong code na naman in section 416.3.4 na kailangan pa rin natin maglagay ng AS min for dowel. Okay, so AS minimum for dowel. Okay, so it is just a 0.005 AG. Okay, so AG dito is AG of column. Okay, so 0.005 times 500 times 500, size of the column, so 1250 millimeter squared. Okay, So yun, no? So let's use also 25 mm diameter para pare-pares na yung column size, bar diameter, and also yung main bar. Okay, so yung N natin is equal to AS mean para sa dowel divided by AB lang din. Okay, so 1250 divided by pi over 4 times 25 squared. Okay, so 2.546. So let's say 3. Okay, 3 pieces na 25 mm. Pero minimum natin na dowel is 4 po para distributed evenly dun sa tied column natin. So therefore, use 4 pieces 25 mm diameter dowel bars. Ito na. Okay, so yun. And then lastly, step number 9. Okay, bago tayo mag detail and then mag-draw na ng ating final spread footing, final detail of spread footing. So check natin yung LSC. Okay, length of development rin to. Lap splice length. Okay, if ever magkakaroon ng lap splice. So from NSCP section 4 to 5.5.5.1. So compression lap splice LSC of 36 mm or smaller bars, compression bar shall be calculated for yung if our Fy is less than 420 MPa. So yung Fy natin is 275, I think. Okay, so under tayo dito. So greater between 0.071 Fy dB, then also in 300. So greater between these two, 0.071 times 275 times 25. So dito 488.125. So governing LSC natin ito. Okay? So therefore provide, let's say 500 mm na 500 mm lap splice para hindi na mahirapan yung construction team natin. Yan. So 500 mm. Okay, so now let's draw. Okay, so now let's draw our detail. So plan view. So plan view muna tayo. So for our plan view, so sabi dun sa or based on our computation, so the size of the footing is 2.9 by 2.9 meters. Yeah. And then size of column, ito yung size ng column natin, 0.5 by 0.5. Okay, and then again for our reinforcement, so we compute 17 pieces of 25 mm main bar. So both ways na to. Okay, on center. So yan. So draw ka lang dito 17. Yan. 17. So let's say 17 na yan. So 17 na rin yan. 17. Ayan, 17. So yan. So pag nagpapa-detail ka, ganun na lang. Then yan. So let's say 17 pieces 25 mm. diameter, main bar, space, on center. Okay. So, in each direction or both ways. Yan. So, yan yung ating plan, no? So, ito yung plan of our footing. Okay. So, NTS. Okay. So, next is our section. So, ayusin natin section natin. So, yan. Yan. So, sa section naman, so if ever na mag-splice sila, okay. So, ito yung splice natin na 500. Okay. Then, this one is our main bar. Yan. Then, yung ating top main bar. O, kunyari 17 na yan. No? So, 17 pieces. So, then, so this one should be 0.5 meters. 0.5 meters. Ito yung lap splice natin. Compression lap splice. And then, next is, of course, yung HC 600 or, sorry, 650. 0.65 meters. Ano pa? Yung ating number of rebar. Pwede mo rin lagay dito. 17 pieces. Copy na lang natin ito. Copy. Then paste. Yan. Tapos yeah, the size of the dowels. So 25 mm diameter dowel bars. And so apat yan. And then yeah, dito na 2.5. Sorry, 2.9. 2.9 meters. Okay. Size of column 0.5. And then okay, so this is in elevation detail. Okay, so at the end of our presentation of problem number 1. Thank you.